How's it going? It's David from Luxury Shine Detailing. Right here we're presenting you a very rare car, a special gem to a client of mine. It's something unique that you haven't seen on the road. This is a 1958 Porsche 550 Spyder, and it's a replica. But it's such an amazing replica. The paint, the details, everything, all the fit and finish is just dialed in onto this car. So we wanted to protect the car, but while protecting it, we wanted to keep it beautiful. And we just want to showcase what this car can look like after putting on a ceramic coating, because it brings it to the next level. The owner wanted to do a full paint protection film on it, but with the fenders and the front bumper being one piece, we didn't want too many seams. This car is going to be shown off, obviously. And having all these seams and lines and cuts everywhere, it would take away the beauty and the curves of this car. So instead, what we did is installed Fine Labs Self-Heal Plus. It is 4 parts to apply this. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and then overcoat. So step 1 and 2, we have to chemically mix that together, apply it on, let it cure, let it do its magic. Then we did step 2A and 2B. And when we did that, we applied it right on top of step 1. And then step 3 is our leveling aid / the actual Heal Plus that merges the two together. And we brought that out to this shine. Afterwards, for ultimate protection and more hydrophobic principles, we put overcoat throughout all the paint. And we even applied ceramic Ultra V2 in the interior dashboard and where the passengers get in and out of the car. Because Ultra V2 is one of our strongest out of all the coatings that we carry. It's more scratch resistant. So whether it's high use or putting it in a show to showcase it, this car is ready. So this car officially just joined the Self-Heal Club.